Here we have a microwave oven transformer. And just for size comparison, you can see what size it is. So you can get these out of old microwave ovens. The newer ones use switch mode power supplies, so you don't want to get a newer one. And you got to be very careful when you take these out because there is a capacitor that's attached and it carries a charge and it will kill you or can kill you even if the microwave's not plugged in. So a little explanation here. So this is a transformer. What it does is it transforms electricity, and you have 120 coming in from the wall plug. Just soldered those up there. That's the primary coil there, and that induces a current over to the secondary. There's actually two secondaries here. There's one that's 3 volts, 3.3 volts. That's for lighting the filament of the magnetron tube, which cooks your food. And then there is the other secondary there, which is around, I think, 2,000 turns or 1,000 turns. 2,000, it's 2,000 volts. And with the capacitor and diode, it's around 4,000 because it doubles it, which I don't have. So we got the high voltage winding here, the white one coming off, which I have connected to my stick over here. And then the other connection for the secondary is on the other side here. And as you can see, it's connected, screwed onto the case there, which I soldered on another wire. And that goes to the wire here. I'm just using aluminum wire. You can use copper or a coat hanger, creating this Jacob's ladder effect where the arc is supposed to make an arc down here, and then because of the heat of the air, it rises the arc up until it gets so big that it doesn't have enough energy to continue arcing, so it separates, stops. Hopefully it'll make it to the top. Anyways, so that's the idea of what type of fun we're trying to have today. Just remember, this is lethal and it will kill you if you were to touch this connection over here somehow, and also be touching this one, this white one here, or even just touching these two here, touching them in any way. The shot could go through you. Like if you grabbed one with one hand and one with the other hand, then it will go right through your heart and kill you, because there is enough current here to kill you. So be very careful when dealing with these. I think that's about all I can tell you about this for now. So enjoy the video. So I'm just getting it plugged in here, and I forgot to show you one other thing. So one of the leads from the high voltage winding I said was going to this wire here, and the other lead of the high voltage is going to this white wire here that I have on the end of this stick, so I won't get shocked because it's not conductive. So here we go, plugging it in. You can hear the hum of it. Whew, I got hot. Yeah, it's definitely got a ball of melted copper on the end there. Let's try this again. Well, not doing very good here. Woo. Let's try like this. Whoa, like 2 arcs going there. I think the bottom 2 are a little too close, I think. Let's try again. Yeah, maybe. Let's put this down first. And a little bit further away. Ooh, that's hot. Let's try that. Here we go. Yep. Whoa. It's a neat color. Whew. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty melted there. Oh, that stinks. It's so much fun, I can't stop. Oh, there we go. That went right to the top, Jacob's ladder. Whoop. Just blew the circuit breaker.